Gentlemen, this is about taking care of yourself, being knowledgeable, and keeping your health, not about feeling ashamed. Your well-being as you age. This may make you cringe, but believe me, it's a topic we all need to address in our golden years. Masturbation. In this video, we'll dispel the myths, provide you with frank, scientifically supported advice, and break down the facts about masturbation in your senior year. No more silence or condemnation, just clear, useful knowledge that can truly improve your health. Let's get started with the science proving that loving yourself can actually improve your health as you age. It's time to correct the record. One of the most widespread misconceptions is that older men shouldn't engage in any form of bead masturbation since it's considered strange or improper. Let me tell you something, though. It is wholly untrue. Another misconception is that masturbating can somehow deplete your vitality or weaken you as you age. This notion is sometimes derived from antiquated notions about virility and sin. The truth is there's no scientific evidence to support this. In fact, studies have shown that regular sexual activity, including masturbation, can actually help maintain physical and mental health. It's about balance, not about depletion. So let's put that myth to rest right now. Then there's the myth that masturbation is only for young people, that once you reach a certain age, you should just stop. This is just plain ridiculous. Sexuality doesn't have an expiration date. Your desire, your needs, they don't just disappear when you hit 50, 60, or even 70. Masturbation is a normal, healthy expression of sexuality for men of all ages. It's a way to explore your body, manage your sexual energy, and enjoy pleasure. It's not something you need to feel ashamed of no matter how old you are. Some people also believe that masturbation is a sign of loneliness, or that it means you're not getting enough from your partner now. While loneliness is a real issue that many older adults face, masturbation isn't necessarily a symptom of it. It can be a healthy, normal part of life, whether you're single or in a relationship. It's about your personal needs and desires, and it doesn't have to be a substitute for intimacy with a partner. It can be a complement to it. Let's finally address the myth that regular masturbation causes physical health issues in later life. There is no evidence to support this claim, and as we'll cover in the next chapter, there are actually a number of potential health benefits. Let's put these myths aside and concentrate on the facts. It's time for older guys to have a more positive and knowledgeable perspective about masturbation. Now that we have dispelled some of the myths, let's move on to the important things. You deserve to know the truth, and that is what we are here to provide you. Masturbation's scientific advantages for elderly guys. Though it is a significant component, this is about more than just feeling wonderful right now. As you age, there are actual, measurable health benefits to regular sexual activity, including masturbation. Let's start with one of the most talked about advantages. Studies on prostate health have shown that while regular ejaculation can help lower the risk of prostate cancer, it is neither a cure nor a guarantee. Frequent ejaculation has been demonstrated to aid in the removal of possible carcinogens from the prostate gland. This does not imply that you must masturbate 5 times a day, but it does indicate that regular sexual activity, including masturbation, can support prostate health. Consider it an additional weapon in your toolbox for maintaining your health as you age. Another important advantage is increased blood flow. Regular masturbation can help keep things flowing, which is beneficial not only for sexual health, but also for overall cardiovascular health. When you get aroused, your body increases blood flow to your pelvic region, which can help improve erectile function and maintain the health of your blood vessels. This is especially important for older men as blood flow tends to decrease with age. Additionally, masturbation can be a great way to relieve stress and elevate your mood because it releases endorphins, which are naturally occurring feel-good chemicals that act as natural painkillers. In your golden years, mood enhancers and levers can help lower stress, anxiety, and even moderate depression. Keeping one's body healthy is crucial, but so is keeping one's mind in check. In conclusion, masturbation might be a straightforward, yet powerful method to elevate your mood. Let's not overlook the significance of self-discovery. As you age, your body and needs may change, so it's critical to stay connected to your sexuality and know what makes you happy. Masturbation is a way to explore your body, learn what feels good, and retain your sexual awareness. Masturbation is much more than just pleasure. It's about being in tune with yourself and continuing to enjoy this normal aspect of life. It's about general health and well-being. All right, so we've talked about the advantages, but let's talk about the possible risks of masturbation. As you age, it's important to approach this topic with a balanced viewpoint. While masturbation is generally safe, there are some precautions you should take to make sure you are doing it in a healthy and comfortable way. One of the most common risks is overdoing, also known as masturbation fatigue, which can cause physical discomfort like chafing soreness or even mild skin irritation. This is not something to be ashamed of, but it should be avoided. Moderation is crucial since it's not about how frequently you do something, but rather how wonderful it feels when you do it. It's about quality rather than quantity. If you are feeling uncomfortable, take a break and don't push yourself too hard. Using excessive force or not being gentle enough, particularly if you have sensitive skin or any underlying medical concerns, is another possible risk. Because your penis skin is sensitive, it's crucial to handle it carefully. If you're feeling pain or discomfort when masturbating, take a moment to assess your technique. Try using lubricant, switching up your grip, or simply being a bit kinder. It's important to know what works and feels good for your body, as well as any underlying medical concerns that may make it difficult for you to masturbate comfortably. You may need to modify your strategy if you experience chronic discomfort or movement problems. This may entail utilizing various positions, taking pauses as necessary, or seeking advice from a physician or physical therapist to guarantee a relaxing and joyful experience. It's critical to address any underlying medical issues. Last but not least, keep in mind that masturbation is a private and personal activity. It's crucial to create a safe space where you feel relaxed and at ease. Don't let anyone make you feel guilty or ashamed about it. It's a healthy and normal part of life. By being aware of these possible risks and taking precautions to avoid them, you can continue to benefit from masturbation worry-free. After discussing the possible concerns, let's go on to some useful advice that might assist you in developing a fun and healthy masturbation habit. It all comes down to being aware, accountable, and in tune with your own body. Finding what works best for you and your body is more important than adhering to strict guidelines. To start, it's critical to create a cozy setting where you feel calm and relaxed. This could entail a quiet private area. Creating a space that you appreciate is important when it comes to technique. It's all about discovery and experimentation. Perhaps you could use some gentle writing or music that makes you feel wonderful. It's okay to experiment with different grip speeds and pressure levels. The idea is to find what works best for you. Some men like a firm, fast approach, while others prefer a softer, slower touch. It's also worthwhile to try a lubricant, which can lower friction, boost comfort, and enhance the experience overall. Finding what works best for your particular body is the first step. Another crucial piece of advice is to include self-awareness and mindfulness into your daily routine, which entails observing how your body feels and reacting to those feelings. This is about more than simply physical pleasure. It's about connecting with yourself, being in the present, and savoring the sensations. Take your time, enjoy the process, and don't rush. Slow down and really feel what's happening. Don't be afraid to explore different forms of stimulation. This might include using your hands as soft cloth or even a personal massage. There are a lot of options out there, so why not try a few and see what you enjoy? The key is to keep things varied and interesting. As you get older, your preferences might change, so it's good to stay open to new experiences and new ways of exploring your body. Finally, remember that consistency is key, just like with any other healthy routine. Regular masturbation can be beneficial. It doesn't have to be every day or even every week, but finding a routine that works for you can help you maintain your sexual health and overall well-being. Most importantly, enjoy it. This is about you taking care of yourself, feeling good, and staying connected with your sexuality. It's a normal and healthy part of life, so embrace it. While masturbation can be a healthy and beneficial practice, it's also important to remember that it's not the only way to maintain your sexual health and satisfaction. As an older man, there are many other activities and practices that can complement your masturbation routine and contribute to your overall well-being. One of the most important is maintaining intimacy with your partner. If you have one, physical touch, affection, and shared pleasure can be incredibly fulfilling and beneficial for both your physical and emotional health. Discussing your needs, wants, and preferences with your partner in an open and sincere manner is also essential. This can make you both feel happier and more connected. Spending time with friends and loved ones is one way to experience closeness and connection if you're not in a relationship. Social interaction is crucial for general well-being since it can improve your mood and lessen feelings of loneliness. Keeping your general physical health in check is another crucial component of sexual health. Regular exercise, whether it be swimming, walking, or lifting weights, is essential for energy levels and circulation. Maintaining an active lifestyle will help you feel more libido and enhance your cardiovascular health. A balanced diet is also crucial, so make sure your meals contain a lot of fruits, vegetables, and lean meats. There is a strong correlation between your sexual health and what you put into your body. Addressing any underlying medical issues that may be affecting your sexual health is also crucial. If you're having trouble getting or maintaining an erection, it's a good idea to speak with your doctor. There are a number of efficient therapies and treatments available, and your doctor can assist you in determining the best course of action for your particular requirements. Seeking expert assistance is a sign of strength, not weakness, so don't be scared to do so. Finally, keep in mind that sexual health is only one aspect of overall well-being. It's crucial to prioritize your mental and emotional health, engage in joyful activities, practice stress management techniques, and take a holistic approach to your health. By doing so, you can make sure that you're leading a full, happy, and healthy life. Masturbation can be a part of that, but it's not the whole picture. Okay, so we've covered a lot of ground in this video, including the myths, advantages, potential risks, and some useful advice for a healthy masturbation routine. The primary lesson here is that for older men, masturbation is a common and maybe advantageous behavior. It's nothing to be ashamed of, anything to conceal, and most definitely nothing to be stigmatized. It's a natural part of life, and you should have access to all the knowledge you require to make wise choices regarding your sexual health. Keep in mind that moderation and balance are key. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with other men who might benefit from this information. There is a lot of misinformation out there, so it's important to spread the truth and create a more open and honest dialogue about sexual health for older men. Listen to your body, be gentle with yourself, and establish a routine that works for you. Don't be afraid to explore your sexuality to learn what feels good and to continue enjoying this natural part of life. Your sexual health is an important part of your overall well-being, so treat it with the same care and attention that you give to other aspects of your health. I would also love to hear your thoughts on this topic, your experiences with masturbating as an older man, and any tips or advice you would like to share with others. Your voice matters, so please don't be afraid to share your thoughts and experiences. The more we talk about it, the less taboo it becomes, and the more people can benefit from this knowledge. We can all benefit from one another's knowledge and build a community that is encouraging and works to dispel the stigmas associated with sexual health. We are here to give you accurate information and helpful advice to help you live your best life. Thank you for watching, and remember to take care of yourself both inside and out. Stay informed, stay healthy, and keep enjoying life. Finally, don't forget to hit the notification bell and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future videos about sexual health and well-being.